Hey there, thriller fans. If you're craving heart-pounding, edge-of-your-seat excitement, I've got just the list for you. Let's dive into some must-watch thrillers across different subgenres. First up, psychological thrillers, C7N, 1995. Follow a detective duo as they hunt a serial killer who's obsessed with the 7 deadly sins. Gone Girl, 2014. Get ready to question everything in this gripping mystery about a missing wife and media manipulation. Shutter Island, in 2010. A US Marshal investigates a psychiatric facility with some seriously dark secrets. Fight Club, 1999. This mind-bending tale of identity, violence, and consumerism will leave you questioning reality. And of course, Black Swan, 2010. Witness a ballerina's chilling descent into madness while preparing for a major performance. Now for crime thrillers. The Dark Knight, 2008. Batman faces his most chaotic enemy, the Joker. Prisoners, 2013. A father goes to extreme lengths to find his kidnapped daughter. The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, 2011. A journalist and hacker team up to uncover a dark family mystery. No Country for Old Men, 2007. This cat-and-mouse chase involving stolen money will keep you on the edge of your seat. And Heat, 1995. A tense showdown between a detective and a professional thief. For action thrillers, check out John Wick, 2014. A retired assassin seeks revenge for his murdered dog. Mad Max, media group, rugged desert landscape, armored vehicles chasing, explosion in the distance at stock at distribute underscore equally. Fury Road, 2015. A post-apocalyptic survival chase across the desert. Inception, 2010. A heist thriller set within the world of dreams. Tenet, 2020. Experience a high-concept time inversion thriller and The Bourne Identity, 2002. Follow an amnesiac assassin on the run. Horror thrillers, more your thing? A Quiet Place, 2018. A family must survive in silence to escape deadly creatures. It, 2017. Face the terrifying Pennywise the Clown. Hereditary, 2018. Discover disturbing family secrets. The Silence of the Lambs, 1991. An FBI agent seeks help from a brilliant cannibal to catch a serial killer. Us, 2019. A family faces doppelgangers with sinister motives. Sci-fi thrillers. Interstellar, 2014. A visually stunning journey of space exploration and survival. Blade Runner, 2049, 2017. A neo-noir mystery about artificial life and identity. Ex Machina, 2014. A programmer tests an AI's consciousness with shocking results. The Prestige, 2006. Rival magicians battle with deadly consequences. Looper, 2012. A time travel assassin confronts his older self. Finally, mystery thrillers. The Sixth Sense, 1999. A boy who sees dead people leads to a shocking twist. Memento, 2000. A man with short-term memory loss hunts his wife's killer. Zodiac, 2007. Journalists and detectives try to uncover the Zodiac killer's identity. The Invisible Guest, 2016. A Spanish thriller full of twists. Old Boy, 2003. A brutal revenge story with a shocking revelation. So, which type of thriller are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments below, and happy watching.